In today's video, we are going to discuss what Gompertz model is and how to fit Gompertz model to our data in SPSS software. As you can see here, this is Gompertz function, but in most cases, we use modified Gompertz model, which is shown here. As you can see, T is time and M of T is cumulative methane yield, which is with the unit of liter of methane per kilogram Vs. Lambda here is the lag phase time. P represents the methane potential with the unit of liter per kilogram of Vs. Rmax refers to the maximum methane production rate with the unit of liter per kilogram Vs per day. When T approaches infinity, the cumulative methane yield should approach its carrying capacity, or P here. Now let's go to the SPSS. You can see that it is similar to Excel, however, you have two different sheets, data view and variable view. In data view, you can just copy and paste your data, and the other is variable view, in which you can define your variables to the software. First, we go to the variable view and define our data. For example, I have T as time. T as time, enter. We don't need to change this. Decimal 2 is good. The measure should be changed to scale. Now, I want to define my methane yield, which is Y. Enter. Decimal 2 is good. Measure should be changed to scale. Okay. Now I go to data view. As you can see, we have T and Y in here. Okay, I go to Excel. I have my T and Y in here. I copy T. Paste here. Copy Y. You paste it here. As you can see, we have 2 decimal points. Okay, now we want to run our model. Click on Analyze, Regression, and Nonlinear. Here we should define dependent. T is independent and Y is our dependent variable. Click on Y, hit this button, and here we go. Then we should define model expression, which is our Gompertz model. Here I have the Gompertz model. I copy and paste it in here. The next step is to define your parameters. You should type exactly what you've written in here. So, capital P, and you have to put some starting value. Let's say 10. Hit Add button. Next one is R. Capital R. Because R is the power of E, I should give it a small value. Let's say 0.5. Add. Next one is L, capital L, as I've written in here. Starting value 5 would be good. Add, and now continue. You have your starting values here. Now, sometimes you need to have your predicted values as well. Hit Save. Tick the box in here, continue. Now we are all set. Hit OK button. The data is processed. It might take a little bit of time. If you end up having an error, you can just change your starting values, and that would be fine. Okay. Here you can sum iterations. We don't need them. What I need is this box. Parameter estimates P, R, and L. And these are the estimated values of our analysis. To make sure that you have an excellent fit, you should check the R2 value, and it is 0.99. Excellent. Okay, let's go back to the sheets. Here I had my actual values of boy, and here are the predicted values. So I want to plot my data. I copy these predicted values, paste it in here, predicted. Okay, now I want to plot them. Insert, hit the scatter button. This is my actual value, and I want to have my predicted values as well. Right click, select data, add series name, predicted, series value, this column. Okay. And now you can see this one is my predicted values. And here I can add title access, legends, and you can change the colors, the markers, and the lines. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. I would be glad to answer. Bye-bye.